Welcome to the review of the XTU J7 battery powered doorbell camera. So this is the new version. It's the 2022, which doesn't sound that new because we're in 2023, but so it's the 2K, it's got the clear night vision, PIR detection, real-time alert, it's IP66 waterproof, full duplex two-way audio, rechargeable battery, built-in cloud storage and local storage. So we've actually gone for local storage to start off with, and then we'll look at possibly going to cloud. I haven't actually used one of these before, so I don't know how good they are, but they seem to get quite good reviews on Amazon. Interestingly though, when you look at the reviews for the software, which is called Cloud Edge, that gets slightly worse reviews. Well, they're all pretty bad. Anyway, let's crack on getting this thing open, or trying to get it open. At the moment these retail for £59 on Amazon. Okay, so we've got the user manual, which we won't bother reading until we get completely stuck. We've got some interesting stickers. Monitoring 24/7 by XTU Security, an XTU warranty card for 12 months, and the beast of the doorbell. So the actual doorbell itself isn't overly large. I'm guessing, without looking at these instructions, that this mounts on the post or gate or door, and then this goes in place, and it looks like there's some sort of security locking screw at the base of this. So yeah, it's got a lithium battery in it. It's a 3.7 volt battery, so at a guess, again, I'm presuming it's an 18650 cell, so yeah, it should last a while. What else we got in this box? With this doorbell you get a ringer box. I was thinking that this would plug in to the wall, but it doesn't. It actually takes 3 AA batteries. Now they do actually include the batteries. Like I said previously, they don't actually include the memory card for the doorbell. So yeah, we've got one of those on order, but I've got a spare one somewhere. So these are the batteries to stick in the ringer. We might as well do that now. If I can get this open without using scissors. Right, so let's pop these in. Alright, they're in. On the side of this we've got the different tunes you can play and the level of sound. Someone get the doorbell! Right, let's put that in there. I think we might have to have a look at the instruction book. Just winging it at the moment. There we've got a USB charge port. This probably hasn't come fully charged. They don't seem to ship stuff these days fully charged because it tends to burn down cargo planes. On the other side we've got the on-off button, we've got a reset, and we've got the slot where the SD card goes. Okay, so that's that. Right, let's have a look at the instruction manual. Okay, something about dear friends, blah blah blah. It is Cloud Edge, isn't it? Yep. Right, okay, so yeah, here it just details what I've just gone through. Security screws, USB charge ports, there's a charge indicator, it's got a lithium ion battery, and some other obvious fax. Okay. So it's 8 to 10 hours to charge, and it would turn blue from red. Seems quite a long time to charge it. Firmware upgrading. Yeah, Cloud Edge app. Alright, so let's take this film off. Let's switch it on. So we're switching it on there. So that's now on. Press the doorbell. It's red. So that works. That's paired with that. We just need to pair it with the app next. So let's just get my tablet. I haven't got a tablet, so what we will do is install this on my phone. If I can find Google Play Store. Alright, Google Play Store. So it's called Cloud Edge app for Android. There we go. Install that. The actual sound is quite good. It's quite a good stereo sound. It's not one of the tinny noises. So while that's downloading, select a position. It's suggested to mount the doorbell at least 4 feet above the ground, 120 centimeters, for optimum angle view and best motion detection performance. Okay. Actually, where's the screw pack? Oh, here we go. This is a bit. So this is the screw pack. This is the charging cable. Just looking for the security screw at the bottom. Yeah, there's 2 of them in there, looks like. Right. So the app is installed. Let's increase my brightness. Or is installing. The quote on this is it lasts 1 to 2 months on the battery. But the only thing I'm wondering about is the actual recharge time. That seems to be a long, many hours to recharge it. So the LED status, we got solid red, which is normal. We got flashing red, ready for Wi-Fi configuration. Flashing red, connecting to Wi-Fi. Solid blue, devices online. I'm guessing that we connect to our Wi-Fi through the app. Alright, let's open this up. It has actually downloaded and installed. Cloud Edge. So looks like we've got to create an account, which is always a pain in the butt. I wouldn't necessarily trust using the Chinese app, using your Facebook or other accounts to sign in with it. So I'm going to create an account. blue. So the device is online. This looks like it's connected now.
Please wait a moment.
So we've gone through the manual connection because the automatic method didn't work. Successfully added. Install device. Void direct sunlight.
Camera and phone at the place of camera installation. Press next to enter.
Alright. There's the video. Yeah, the quality is quite good. What's next out of that? Done. Okay, let's see what happens when someone presses the doorbell. There we go. You have a visitor and you can pick up and talk to them, or we can ignore them. And then we've got messages. So I'm not used to this system. It's supposed to also tell you the battery status of the device. Let's go device management. So it should tell us how full the battery is, but I need to read up on this really.
He's eating the cherry pips.
What?
He's eating the cherry pips.
So, oh, that looks better. So if we go
What? You eating the cherry
all
pips.
if we go all devices, we can see here. We can play back that call that I made.
Yeah.
So that's that. Well, that's live video. The settings. Here we go. Chime settings, time settings, battery management. So electric quantity. So we've got 30% battery charge at the moment. Usage stats. So there's a lot of information in here. Anyway, I think for now that's it. I'm just going to now charge this up, and then we're going to get it mounted and then take it from there. So once we're in the app, and you want to add more family members, you need to go to me, family management, and your family, my family, and then in here you can add an additional members, so they don't have to go through the process of adding the account or adding a device to their own account. If you do try and use the same account, what will happen is that it will log out other devices when you log in. So yeah, that's not going to work.